Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Are you guys ready to hop? Today we are doing a hop and giveaway for the Not Too Shabby box of the month for December. So this one's called Sweet Wishes and it's all about birthday. So you can participate in the hop by hopping to each video by using the hashtag N2S Sweet Wishes. When you click on the hashtag, all the videos in the hop will come up. You can hop to each one, leave a comment, and then come back to my Rafflecopter link, which is in the description box for you, and enter the giveaway through there. I invite you to subscribe to all the channels in this hop as you're hopping along, and if you leave a like button, that really helps out with the algorithm. It'll help push out the video to more viewers. So in the box, you'll get an array of goodies, and let me share what comes in this month's box. Okay, so what we get is 2 paper pads, we have a stencil, we have 2 stamp sets, 2 ephemera packets, a little goodie treat bag here with some sequins and a lollipop, and the information to the shop. We have some sprinkles from Trinity Stamps. These are clay, smash confetti, embellishment mix, and this is like perfect for the birthday cards. And I challenge you guys to do a shake a card with this month's box because this embellishment pack just screams shaker to me. You also get a Rabbit Hole Designs Bitty Blender Brush. So it comes in this case here. You just pull this apart. And then we have the little brush in here, and then the bristles are very soft and perfect to get into those little crevices on your stencil. Okay, so let's share these 2 stamp sets. So we've got Sweet Birthday, and it features these 3 yummy sweet treats. So we've got a cake with some berries on top. It looks like a strawberry, a raspberry, and a cherry, and a couple of flowers. We've got icing in the middle. We've got a yummy cupcake with the cherries on top, and then these beautiful daisies coordinate all 3 images together. I love the wrapper with the little polka dots. And then we've got this jar of yumminess. We've got a little piece of chocolate sticking out of the whipped cream there and a cherry on top, and I think those are blueberries dangling down, and you can have fun coloring this one up. We've got sentiments to my sweet friend, let's celebrate, and a happy birthday with this nice circle. This one's called Birthday Bear. So we've got this really cute birthday bear with a bow, and he's just being lifted away with these balloons. And then we've got all kinds of happy birthday sentiments. So if you're looking for a happy birthday, you're going to have several options here. We've got happy birthday to you, happy birthday in this pretty scripty font. You lift me up, so you can use this. It doesn't have to be a birthday. You can use it with the sentiment, you lift me up. It's perfect to go with this bear. It's your birthday. Sending birthday wishes, and happy, happy, happy birthday. Okay, let me share the cards that I did. So here's the cards I did with the Sweet Birthday stamp set. So I did a set of 3, and I really love how that turned out. I just had a lot of fun coloring these images in. I used the stencil, the confetti stencil, and then the paper. This is a glitter paper from this pad here. I used the sequence that comes in the kit. This one says let's celebrate. Really had fun coloring that up, and they're all done the same way with sequence and the stencil in the background matted on one of the sheets from the paper pad. And there's the third one. And then see how fun that is to color. And then that paper is from this paper pad as well. So let me show you the stencil up close. So it's called Drifting Confetti, designed by Call Me Crafty Al. You can find Alicia's information on the back, her Instagram, her YouTube channel. So really nice stencil. Here's the birthday bear card that I did. I took out one of my cloud stencils and then did an inked up background in pink and blue. And I wanted to match this piece of paper here from the paper pad. So this is the birthday and presents paper pad. There's this really nice sheet here of kind of looks like watercolor or ink blended background, and then these little flicks of gold. So I tried to mimic that onto the card. I took one of my sprays and just dropped on some droplets, and I think that turned out really, really cute. So I used the sentiment, it's your birthday, with a little square. And then here's another card using just the ephemera and the paper pad. So there's sentiments in the ephemera. I used Yippee, it's your birthday. There's the presents in the background and the cute little bear holding a balloon. And then the two patterns in the background there. I love using the ephemera when you want to just make a quick and easy card. So I have another card. So this one's the shaker card. So I want you guys to challenge yourself to do a shaker with this month's box. So those cute little sequins in there, those clay bits, I just mixed them up with some of my clear sequins because this is a big shaker and I didn't want to waste all my clay bits. And then I have the two happy birthday balloons popped up on foam with the party hat and the present. Those are ephemera pieces. And then I just tied a bow with the two strings for the balloon. In the background, I have paper from the Elegant Birthday Paper Pad. And then this die is the Cat Scrappiness Tri-Frame Slimline die. I'll have it linked in the description box. I do carry that one in my shop. So let's take a closer look at the paper and ephemera. So for this ephemera pad here, we have some large shapes. Now Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, she is our designer for our paper pads and ephemera, and she has designed the size so you can make a shape card. Now she's on the hop, so you'll see the card that she did. I'm not sure if she'll show you in this video, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be in a separate video showing you how to create the shape card. So it's pretty easy. And then we have all these other pieces here that go with the paper pad. I'm just going to put them on here. So there's some cake pieces. This is really pretty. The tassels. There's presents and balloons and cupcakes. There's some bows. So you have plenty of pieces here to create several cards. Make some treat bags. That would be really cute. Okay, so let's show you the paper pad. Today is also the release day of our stamp and die of the month, so I'll show you that after I'm finished showing you the rest of the products here. So we've got 4. Okay, so the paper comes with 4 of each design. Here's the design that I used for this card, and it's perfect to make a frame because it's even all the way around when you cut the paper down. Then we got a pretty glitter on the other side of gold. Then we've got this one. Goes very, very nicely with this pattern here. So very, very lovely. We've got a black glitter design, which I love this one too. They're really pretty. And then we've got on the back, this one's really pretty. And then we've got this really pretty pink glitter sheet. So I think I forgot to mention what the prize was. The prize is $25 to the shop. So one person will be randomly chosen, and we will contact you through your email. So when you go to the Rafflecopter, that's where you'll put your information in. Now this is the birthday and presents. So this one's more cutesy. The other one is more elegant. So you can make different types of birthday cards. So we've got this really pretty blue with the little bears and the presents. And then I love this one. This is my favorite. So pretty. And look how pretty that goes with this sheet. We've got cupcakes and butterflies and gold speckles. That pretty. And on the back, very nice. And then we've got a white with the bears. And then some balloons. Look how pretty that matches. And then this pretty sheet with the butterflies. I love that. And then on the back, we've got a nice yellow color. This one, we've got a little beige color with those cute bears and cupcakes and those splatters. And then on the back, we have a little scene, so you can get creative with the sheet of paper here. You can do a scrapbook layout, put a photo there of someone's birthday. You can cut these bears out and use them. There's a lot of ideas for that. And then we've got this one. I love that little wash, how it looks like it's washed on there, the paint. And then on the back, we've got some bears with butterflies in the background. Very, very cute paper pad. And for our stamp and die of the month, we have a new set. This is called Better Together. It is super, super cute. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Perfect to make little lunch notes for your child's lunchbox. Perfect to give to a best friend. The images go perfect with the sentiments to my bestie. We go together like, and then we've got salt and pepper, hot dogs and pop. We've got milk and cookies. We've got milk and cereal, or this could be soy sauce and oriental noodles. You can color it either way. I think it looks great both ways. We've got the sentiment Be Mine, and there's a little heart. For the Shabby Snips coordinating dies, they do come on a magnet. There's 2 magnet sheets in here with 3 more dies in the back. So don't forget to check for that behind this magnet die here. So you got dies for everything on here, including the sentiments. If you are interested in joining the Stamp of the Month Club or the Stamp and Die of the Month Club, choose monthly for your frequency at checkout. That will get you an 18% discount on this club. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase, you just won't get the discount. Same for the box. If you purchase the box as a monthly, you will get it every 30 days and you will get a 5% discount. So you can purchase these 2 clubs together if you wish. So here is the card that I created. I think it turned out really cute. I wanted a clean and simple card, and I did use the Whimsy Card Builder Slimline die for this part here. And then I added some glossy accents onto my images. So I did fill up this glass of milk with glossy accents, and same with this one. And I did some on the eyes to make them pop. I popped up all the images and added some red splatters. So I hope you guys enjoy the hop and get lots of inspiration. This hop will close in 1 week, and the winner will be announced on my community tab in YouTube, or you can always go back and click on the raffle link and it will tell you who the winner is. So have fun, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.